Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Great, guys. Let's go and have a look at an update of our JPY trade. Righto, as you can see, we were entered into a second trade. Down here, we were entered into a second trade. Right, and you can see it there. So what I'm going to do now, and that is I have to adjust my take profit. So what I'm going to do is I add the two together. I add the two take profits, the two entry prices together. I'm going to divide it by 2 and add my 100 pips to it to get my new take profit. So now I'm going to set my new take profit on the first trade. I'm going to change it to my new take profit. Right, and there, that one is set. Now let's set the other one. And there, I'm busy setting it, and there it is also set. So now the take profit has been set for both of these two trades over here. As you can see, we've got one take profit. So now, if that's going to go up to hit the take profit there, I will be making very big money on the trade. But I will not wait for that. I will wait as soon as I see any green on this trade. The minute I see it going into the green, I will close it out. The minute that there goes into the green, I will close both trades out. And then I'll start a new run right from scratch again, because guys, the risk becomes too big and I do not like having big risk anymore. So yes, the minute I see green on this trade now, I'm going to close it out, and it'll be the end of this run, and then I'll start a new run again, because really guys, this type of trading is almost like a martingale trading, but it's a little bit easier then, because I'm not doubling the lots up every time. I'm keeping the same amount of lots and the same entry prices spaced out evenly. So it's a little bit easier on your finances, and it works quite good.